Hi, this is Bill McCormick, your short sale specialist. Today we're going to discuss how realtors can build their business by securing short sale listings with financially distressed property owners. Due to the recent impact of COVID, many homeowners have lost their jobs or have applied for mortgage forbearance under the CARES Act. As a result, we expect to see a rise in mortgage foreclosure rates, rates which had been decreasing in recent years due to the growth of the housing market and the CARES Act moratorium on new foreclosure filings. In order to differentiate your service offerings from your competition, you should educate yourself on the foreclosure process and the benefits of a short sale for a homeowner as an alternative to foreclosure. And if you're new to real estate, you never experienced the subprime mortgage crisis of 2008, so you may not know what challenges lie ahead for you and your clients. There's certain things you should expect when you take on a short sale listing. Let's start with your listing clients. Number one, you will need to determine if the homeowner can qualify for a short sale or not. A homeowner needs two things to qualify with their mortgage company. Number one is demonstrated financial hardship. This means the homeowner can no longer afford their mortgage payments because of some life event, like losing their job, getting divorced, or maybe someone on the mortgage passes away. Number two, there's no equity in the home and the owner owes more on the mortgage than what the current market value is. The easiest way to confirm how much is owed on the mortgage is to ask the homeowner to provide you with a full mortgage payoff. This will include all late charges, attorney's fees, etc. Next, you'll want to run a title search to identify if there are any other liens or judgments against the home which will need to be settled in order for you to provide clear title to a buyer. We recommend marketing your short sales in the multi-listing as an as-is sale with no repairs being made by the homeowner. Most homeowners facing foreclosure don't have the money to make repairs, and the mortgage company doesn't own the home. They only own the mortgage note, so they will not make repairs either. This sets the expectation with a buyer's realtor and a buyer that the condition of the home will not be improved by the seller or mortgage company. We also suggest that you put language in the agreement of sale that addresses inspections can be completed shortly after contract acceptance by both parties and not after bank approval. This protects your homeowner from getting a short sale approval only to have the buyer to walk after inspections. If inspections are of concern, they should be completed by a buyer early on in the process. Now, let's talk about the short sale mortgage lender appraisal process. When your schedule permits, we always recommend that the listing agent try to meet the appraiser at the property. Here's why. Some short sale lenders do not even require the appraiser to access the interior of the home, and they allow for drive-by appraisals. This means the appraiser won't know of any repairs or damage and therefore won't account for these in their valuation. You also want to set realistic expectations with the buyer's realtor on the closing timeline and the agreement of sale. Keep in mind that the short sale mortgage lender also has their own review process. This can take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks up to 90 days. Lastly, when it comes to the MLS, disclose. Make sure all parties know that the short sale is subject to third-party lender approval. The seller and buyer signing a sales contract is only the first step. The next step is that the short sale lender has to issue an approval letter accepting the terms outlined in your agreement of sale. If your brokerage or board of realtors has a standard short sale contract addendum, please make this part of your agreement of sale to protect all parties. So if you aren't including short sales as part of your service offering, please consider doing so, as there is a market opportunity on the horizon that you don't want to miss out on. Good luck and good selling.